Alright you guys, so I'm here in another one of the bedrooms in my mom's house, and I found boxes of my stuff, and I had no idea that this box was here, which I'm going to show you in a second. I found this little acrylic or plastic container full of makeup, and then this entire box, you guys, is brand new, unused makeup. I have not dug into it because I want to go through it with you guys. All I can see is what's on the top, and everything looks brand new in box, which frightens me because this box is pretty tall. And yeah, if you want to see a video of me going through this box and I guess, you know, keeping some things, maybe selling other things or giving them away, let me know, because you guys, it's packed to the very top. And there's some like good stuff in here. Like, it's crazy how much brand new stuff is in there. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to today's video. I look kind of crazy. I washed my hair because I really had to, and I was supposed to film this video earlier. This video was actually supposed to be a video all about how I stay productive, how I use my planners, which I have 2 planners, just really quick so you guys have an idea of the upcoming videos. But I have a passion planner here that I use on the daily, and then I have my Erin Condren. This is my Halloween cover because it's October, so I will be switching out this cover, but I love my Erin Condren as well, and I wanted to kind of show you guys how I stay productive, how I use them, all of that. But so much stuff has happened earlier in today, and I just didn't have time to do that, but I wanted to come on and say hi to you guys because I did just go grocery shopping. And a lot of you have wanted to see cooking videos. I'm not the best cook. I'm very simple and minimalistic when it comes to cooking. I do enjoy it. I'm not the greatest at it. So I figured I would make you guys my favorite salad that I've been loving. And if you guys have been trying to find ideas for, you know, eating healthy and getting more veggies into your diet, this is a great one because it's helped me so much. And I got the idea from my friend Natalie. She's amazing when it comes to just throwing things together. I'm gonna leave her Instagram right here on the screen. She's a makeup artist in Philadelphia, educator. She's amazing. She loves to like play around with food, so she shows me a lot of my recipes that I do for myself. So I'm gonna do that salad for you guys today and show you guys what's up with that. So it's going to be more of a cooking video, but I wanted to tell you guys that, you know, I do have a planner video coming up. And if you guys saw the beginning, it was like a quick snapshot of when I was at my mom's house when I filmed my old makeup collection. I found a huge box of unopened, unused makeup. So if you guys want a video of me just kind of going through it and just diving in to see what's in there, because I haven't gone through it because I wanted to make a video. I thought it would be fun. If it's not interesting, maybe I won't. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that video of me just kind of going through that big box of makeup. And yeah, I will probably try to get that up this week. It's either the planner video or the makeup video. I've been doing so many makeup videos, so this one might be coming up soon. Budget wise, if you guys are curious, sorry, this is like a really just random update. Budget videos are going to be coming back soon. I mentioned in a previous video that unemployment payments have been really crazy messed up for me on my end, and yeah, it's been really, you know, hard for me to kind of like, you know, budget everything, rent, bills, all of that. So budget videos will be coming back, just not right now, you guys. So I'm trying to implement other videos in my channel for you, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna stop blabbing and we're gonna get on to making this amazing, delicious salad. So really quick, I'm gonna run through everything that's pretty much going to be in the salad, and then I'm going to chop everything up and speed up the video at that point. But so the main base of it is chopped kale. This one is from Aldi, Simply Nature Organic Kale. So if you're like me at all, I'm honestly not a huge fan of kale if it's not like cooked down correctly, seasoned correctly. Like I don't like the flavor of it, but mixed in with everything that I'm going to show you, it is so good. And now I just make the salad by the handfuls. I have a huge bowl right here to make the salad in, and if you guys are curious, I probably use like half the bag, if not more, because I make this for the entire week. This is a great salad if you want to meal prep the first half of the week or the entire week. It just gets better as it sits in the fridge and just having all of the dressing marinate into the actual vegetables and the kale itself. So this is already, is this cleaned already? Is this washed? Yep, washed thoroughly. Okay, so I'm gonna do big handfuls. Honestly, I'm probably gonna do half the bag. So yeah, it's a lot of, oh my gosh, look, this whole bowl is filled. Let's just put that there. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much half the bag. So I'm gonna take half the bag of kale and I'm going to do, I believe I do 1 or 2 tomatoes depending. I'm gonna do the big one. So I'm gonna do 1 big tomato. We're going to do a pepper as well. I typically get yellow pepper or orange, but they didn't have any at the produce store that I go to, so I had to get red. I like to mix up the colors because I like my salad to be colorful. So a whole pepper, whole tomato, like I said. I'm gonna do half of an onion, which I have left over. I'm going to do, I typically do an entire cucumber. So you know what? Let's do the entire cucumber. And for seasonings and dressings, I obviously have salt and pepper. I'm sorry, salt, pepper. I have some garlic powder, I have Parmesan cheese. All this is optional. I honestly just kind of throw a bunch of things together. And then the dressing that makes the salad is the Asian toasted sesame ginger dressing. Anything that is a sesame ginger type dressing is perfect. This one's from Kraft. It's not my favorite. I got the light version. I've had better, but this is all that the grocery store had in that realm, so I got that. And then I also have some shrimp here. Sorry, the coloring's a little bit washed out from my natural lighting, but I have about 16 medium shrimp here that I cut in half that I like to add to the salad because protein, obviously. You can use chicken if you want to. You can top it off with fish, whatever you want to do, but I typically throw in shrimp because, again, when it's in the refrigerator over the week, it just makes everything just taste so good. All right, so that's pretty much it. Oh wait, also, this is optional as well. If you don't want to add this, you don't have to, but for me, I like to eat this salad, this big ass bowl of salad, as a whole meal. So I do throw in the tricolor 3-cheese tortellini. You don't have to add pasta if you don't want to. If you want to make it more low carb, just negate the pasta and go with the veggies. But again, I like to add this for a little bit more oomph and a little bit more depth, so it keeps me full. So yeah, I have a pot boiling right now and I'm gonna throw this in and we're gonna chop everything up.